Hello and welcome to this quick tip. I will show you very quickly how you can use PowerShell to disable, or if it's the case, enable DNS registration on a specific network adapter on your computers. What this actually means is that if we disable DNS registration, then a specific network adapter will not register itself automatically in DNS with the IP address that it has. Let me show you in the graphical interface where this setting is located, so you have an idea what I'm talking about. In DNS here, this is the setting, and let's disable it so you see what's up. First I need to get for example, the interface index for our network adapter. Let's get the network adapter. Interface index is 12. Excellent. Then we just run this command. And let's check if this is also reflected in our settings in the graphical interface. So the check mark is now unset. This means that if I would delete the DNS registration for this server and I would run, for example, ipconfig register DNS, nothing would happen. It will not appear again. I do not want this to happen, so I will enable it again. And this is how you can enable or disable the DNS registration. I would appreciate a like and a share if you enjoyed the video or if it was helpful for you. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.